What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to make text highlight effect in CapCut on PC. So make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss a step. So right here we have an image that looks like a document which we would like to highlight, and we're going to go over to text. At the top we're going to see text here, and we're going to select default text and drag it and drop it above the video. And after doing that we're going to go over to the right where we have text, and under text we're going to select the default text and write about 3 underscores. After doing that, we could go over to the color and choose the color we want. So I'll be choosing yellow. And then we're also going to change the font size. So as you change the font size, you need to change it to the size that covers the text to your satisfaction. And as you can see, the text is covered and that font size is okay. We're going to scroll down over to transform. Now here in transform, you could increase the size also. And then after increasing it, you're just going to come over here and adjust the text again, which is the underscore. So far this looks good. And we could have this way. So the next thing we're going to do is to go over to the top of the same area where we have animation. So we're moving from text to animation. And then we're going to select wipe right. So mine is situated here. Yours may be somewhere around here. So you just have to have a look. And if it's not downloaded yet, you have to make sure you've downloaded it. So I'm going to click on mine. And then you can see that was pretty fast. We could also change the duration. The duration is found here at the bottom, and we're going to adjust it to about 2 seconds. Great. So now we've adjusted it to about 2 seconds. We're going to go now to the text itself in the timeline, right click on it and select create compound clip. You could do this by clicking Alt-G, but of course you could follow this method also. So this creates a compound clip. As you can see, if we slide the bar, you can see that it's moving. However, the text is covered. In order to fix that, we're just going to go over to the video at the top right, and down here we're going to look for blend. So blend is activated and the opacity is at 100. Now the mode is a default. You're going to change this to overlay. So when we select overlay and we slide it over, you can see that it's now looking good. If we decide to play it on the full screen, here's what we're going to see. So that looks good. Now if overlay doesn't work for you, you could decide to use multiply. So multiply has a different effect, so we're going to try multiply. Great. So if you like multiply, you could decide to use multiply, or you could decide to use overlay. And now we have our text highlight effect in CapCut on PC. So this is how to make the text highlight effect on CapCut in PC.